Diagnosing today's advanced automotive technologies requires the use of advanced diagnostic tooling. Bosch, the world's leading diagnostics brand, raises the bar yet again with the introduction of their newest automotive diagnostic scan tool, the ADS 625X. The ADS 625X builds on its cousin, the 525X, offering many of the same features, including quick boot-up time, the ability to perform an all-systems DTC scan, on average under 60 seconds or less, and a wireless VCI. Also included is a free 1-year software subscription with all-access coverage, as well as a bonus 30 free days of the enhanced subscription that includes full system color wiring diagrams and Repair Source, a complete on-tool OEM service and repair information library. But the features don't stop there. The ADS 625X is fitted with an ultra-crisp 10-inch LCD vibrant high-definition display with full widescreen viewing, providing outstanding visibility both indoors and out. And with a slot for an optional SD card, the ADS 625X is the first Bosch scan tool to offer expandable memory. Equipped with all new hardware and software technology, powered by Android 10 Plus, the ADS 625X offers peak performance on an expandable, future-proof platform, providing faster processing and more memory, making the diagnostic process more efficient. The included multi-purpose docking station charges the tablet and powers the VCI, providing seamless wireless updates and access to repair information without the need to be connected to the vehicle. The ADS 625X includes dynamic ADAS calibration capability and soon will be compatible with the Bosch DAS 3000, allowing technicians to handle vehicles requiring static calibrations. The new ADS 625X is available now through Bosch aftermarket distribution partners and resellers. For more information on the ADS 625X and other Bosch diagnostic products, visit www.boschdiagnostics.com.